Yes. Hello everyone and welcome to your all in mathematics class. And today we are going to study the chapter percentage. Okay, we will see some word problems, and in this video we will see some word problems based on the increase and decrease of a value by a certain percentage. Okay, so let's start students, and it is here third video for this week. Okay, so now let's start students. You will see the first question that the price of a shirt is reduced by 12% in a discount sale. If its present price is 1188, find its original price. So you have to find its original price. So what you will do, that you will write, let the original price of the shirt is rupees X. Okay, that means the original price of the shirt is X. Then discount on the shirt is 12%. Discount on the shirt you will get 12%. Then therefore value of discount on the shirt is 12% of the price. That means 12% of X. So next what you will write, that it is 12% means 12 by 100 of X, means 12 by 100 into X. Then you will calculate this 4 into 3 time you can cut, and downside you will cut that 4 into 25 times. So you will get that 3x by 25. So this 3x by 25 is the value of discount on the shirt. If the price of shirt is X, then the discount is 12%, means 3x by 25. Now you will find the price of shirt after discount. So you will subtract the discounted amount. Okay, so you will subtract original price is X and 3x by 25 is the discount. So this discount you will subtract from the original price. Then you will get that 25x minus 3x, because here this x is x by 1. So 25x minus 3x, you will get that 22x by 25. So this is the price after discount. But what is given according to the question here given that price of the shirt after discount is 1188. 1188 only. This is the price after discount. So you will do what? Therefore 22x by 25, this is the price according to us. We have got this, that 22x by 25, it is the price after discount. But question is saying that the price after discount is 1188. So they are equal, we can equate them. So 22x by 25 is equals to 1188. So then you can solve that. X equals to 1188 into 25, that 25 will go at the numerator place, and the denominator 22 will go at the denominator place. By cross multiplication you can do that. So now you will solve this, then you will get 1350. Actually you will cut that 11 into 2 time, and this 11 into 1 time, and then 0, and then 11 into 8 and 88 times. So 11 into 8 time 88. So 108. Now again you will cut that 108 by 2. So it is coming 54 into 25. That means 1350. So this is the value of X here. Okay. So therefore you can say the original price of the shirt is, that is X. You have assumed only that original price of the shirt is X, which is equal to 1350. So the original price of the shirt is 1350. This was the original price. Now you will see the next question. You can see that a number is increased by 20% and the increased number is decreased by 20%. Then after that what is happening? The increased number is decreased by 20%. So find the net increase or decrease percent. Find the net increase or decrease percent. So what you will do, that we will write that let the number be 100. Okay, now this 100 it will first increase by 20%. So you will write that increment or increase in the number is 20% of 100. It will increase by its present value. 20% of present value it will be added. So 20% of 100 is 20 by 100 into 100, means you will get 20 only, because this 100 and 100 you will cut in one time. So 20 into 1 is 20. This is the increase in the number. Then you can write that increased number is 100 plus 20 means 120. This is the increased number. 100 plus 20, that is 120. Whatever increment you will add in the previous value, so that is 120. Then now you will see, now decrease in the number is 20% of present value. The present value of the number is 120 now, because the number is increased by 20, so now its value is 120. So decrease in the number is 20% of the present value, means 20% of 120. Okay, here now the present value is 120, so 20% of 120 we will find. So this you will get that 20 into, you can cut 20 into 1 time, 20 into 5 times. So that this 5 into 24 times you can cut that, 5 into 1, and this will be 5 into 24 times you can cut that. So this way you can get the value of the decrease. Decrease value is 24. Decrease in the number is 24. Okay. Now you will find, therefore new number is 120 minus 24. Whatever decrease is happening here, that you will subtract from the present value. So new number is 120 minus 24. You can say the new number, that means decreased number. After that, after decrement, what is coming, that is new number is 120 minus 24 is 96, and at the starting the number was 100. You are knowing that. So you will say that therefore net decrease is 4 only, because initially the value was 100, so 100 minus 96, so it is the net decrease of 4. Okay, so number is decreased by 4, net decrease is 4, so the net decrement percent is, so net decrease percentage is 4 by 100. It will, you will find the decrease percentage with respect to the starting value, with respect to the initial value, that is 100. So 4 by 100 into 100, because at the starting the value was 100 only. So 100 into 1 times and 100 into 1 times. So 4 by 100 into 100 you will get, that is 4%. So the value is here 4%, students. Okay. So that means, hence the net decrease is 4%. Net decrease in the value is 4%. Okay. Now we have the next question, that the value of a machine depreciated 10% every year. That means every year its value is decreasing by 10%. Its price is decreasing by 10%. If its present value is rupees 3,87,000, yes, 3,87,000, what was its value 1 year ago? What was its value 1 year ago? That you have to find out. Then you will do what? You can write that first, let rupees X be the value of the machine 1 year ago. 1 year ago its value was rupees X. Then its present value is 90% of X. 90% of X is the present value, because it is decreased by 10%. So 10% you will decrease from 100%. So 100 minus 10. That means now it is only 90% of its previous value. Its present value is 90% of its previous value. Previous value is X only. That we have assumed that let X is the value of machine 1 year ago. So it was, the earlier value was X. So now its present value is 90%, because 10% it is decreased. So 100 minus 10 is 90% of X, you will say. So present value is 90% of X, means you will calculate that 90 by 100 of X. So 90 by 100 into X is 9X by 10. You will get what? 9X by 10. Okay. So this you will get. Now you can write, it is given that present value of the machine is 3,87,000. In the question the present value of machine is given 3,87,000, but here we have got that 9X by 10. So that means they are equal, so we can equate that. So therefore 9X by 10 is equals to 3,87,000. Now you can solve this equation. You can solve this equation easily. You will write what? X equals to 3,87,000 into 10 by 9. This 9 will divide here. So ultimately you are going to get that 43,000 into 10. Because this you will cut 9 into 1 times and 9 into 43,000 you can write here. 43,000. In 43,000 times you can cut that. So 43,000 into 10 is, you will get that 4,30,000. So this is the value of X. And what was X? You are knowing that it was the value 1 year ago. It was the value of the machine of 1 year ago. So hence the value of the machine 1 year ago is X. That means 4,30,000. Okay, this is the value of machine 1 year ago. That means it was the price of machine 1 year ago. Okay students, so now this way you can solve the questions of exercise 10b. Okay, question number 16 to 23 you will solve nicely, okay, in the homework. And now you will see these videos also for understanding the concept of these questions, what problems based on percentage. Okay, so thank you all of you and have a nice day.